Hello, my name is Tanya Burkhardt. Today I'll be talking about the Biopsychosocial paradigm, PI, which means person and environment, and Bronfenbrenner's ecological theory, with an emphasis on Bronfenbrenner's ecological theory. Bronfenbrenner's ecological theory is composed of 5 environmental layers of human development. Number 1 is microsystems, which are face-to-face interactions such as your friends, family, school, church, and so on. Mesosystems are a relationship between 2 or more microsystems, such as school and family together. Third, exosystems. This is environments and contexts that are largely out of the individual's control, such as a loved one's work schedule. Macrosystems are larger cultural and social structure elements, such as the economy. And 5, chronosystems, which are effects over time, such as a job change or a pay increase. So, how does Bronfenbrenner's theory impact humans? I will explain this through my own personal experience as a fitness instructor. So first, the microsystem is affected through classroom practices, meaning that I affect the behavior of others through my fitness education and demonstration. The mesosystem is affected by professional collaboration. This means that I would participate in certification classes so that I may teach what I have learned to others and affect their lives. The exosystem is affected by organizational structure and policies. This can be seen through my work schedule. I teach classes at the same times each day, every week, with no flexibility. Sometimes my children have school activities that fall during one of my work times. This causes stress on me because I cannot change my class time and I cannot change the time that they have to be to their activity. So now I have to determine alternate plans and get fill-ins and people to help me sort out this mess of a schedule plan. So yes, definitely stressful. And then the macro system is affected by cultural values. And I see this every day in the members of my classes. For example, I have many Muslim women that attend my classes. So this has required me to do extra research so I can incorporate their values into our program. And that's very important because these women have certain things, certain diets, certain things that they do that they are different from what everybody else does. So I have to make sure they're doing their thing correctly alongside with everybody else. So that's basically it. That's how Bronfenbrenner's theory can impact a person such as me, a fitness instructor. Now we'll look at the biopsychosocial paradigm. This theory is composed of 3 influences that contribute to human development. So first we have the biological influences, which is the physical structures and processes of the human body. Then we have the psychological influences. This could be depression, thought patterns, negative and positive, self-control, negative and positive. And then we have social influences, such as economic standing, religion, and technology. So, how is the biophysical paradigm different from Bronfenbrenner's theory? Well, it assesses biological influences separately, plus psychological influence is its own thing, and then all the environmental influences are grouped into the social category, because remember, Bronfenbrenner's theories are all environmental. So this is saying all of the environmental influences are social and is less expanded upon, per se. In this slide, we have the person and environment, or PI theory. So this theory is based solely on environmental conditions. These could be social, political, familial, temporal, spiritual, economic, and physical. So this is different from Bronfenbrenner's theory because each environmental influence is broken down into types instead of layers within the group. So remember, Bronfenbrenner has the 5 layers that work with one another or alone, and this is saying each environmental condition is separate, and maybe they do overlap, but they're not necessarily a layer, as they're more individual types. So that's basically it. The 3 different theories. Again, I emphasize Bronfenbrenner's theory. I feel like I most connect to that one and really understand that one better than the others, but not saying that the others are wrong, just saying that Bronfenbrenner really breaks it down and helps you to understand human behavior better than the other 2. But that's it. So thank you for tuning in today, and this concludes my screencast.